What's this? Fun travel words and facts. Welcome to What's This? Travel Edition. Can you guess the travel words? Look carefully and say your answer. Are you ready? Let's start. What's this? It's a suitcase. The first suitcases appeared in the late 19th century. They were made to carry dress suits, that's why they are called suitcases. What's this? It's a passport. Most passports in the world are red. But the color of UK passports changed from red to blue after the UK left the European Union. What's this? It's an airplane. Most airplanes are painted white. White color helps reflect sunlight and keeps the airplane cooler. What's this? It's a hotel. There is a hotel in Bolivia, made of salt. It's called Palacio de Sal, which means Palace of Salt. It is near Salar de Uyuni, the largest salt flat in the world. What's this? It's a boarding pass. Today, most travelers use digital boarding passes on their phones instead of paper ones. What's this? It's a smartphone. Smartphones replaced many travel tools, like cameras, maps, and calling a taxi. What's this? It's a souvenir. The word souvenir comes from French and means memory. Travelers buy souvenirs to remember the places they visit. Great job, travelers! You learned new travel words and fun facts. Which one did you like the most? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English adventures. See you.